Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I have a double take for you. So this is a double page layout using multiple photos, and I have a whole playlist of them down below, and I am using my How to Kill a Kit with Style April kit as well. So this first part is in 20 times speed because I change everything about this layout. There's going to be no more polka dot paper, no more blue paper, no more cut aparts. I changed the whole thing. So I just sped through this part to show you guys that not everything is as it seems. A lot of people who do videos on YouTube cut out these sort of things. I just wanted to show you a quick sneak peek of how I thought a red and blue design would work, but instead I go for a more orange and green vibe instead because it went better with the game board, it went better with the vibe of these photos, and we'll talk about more of that as we go on. But I picked out these papers from the We Are Memory Keepers paper pad that I've shown you guys, and I went with a diagonal stripe background, which is actually kind of a lot for me. I usually don't go that heavy with color or pattern in a double page background, but I've been doing that a lot lately and it's been fun to experiment with. So with this diagonal stripe paper, I tried to line them up the best I could, but the colors didn't line up on the pattern, so it's a little bit messed up, and I would like to apologize in advance. The lighting in this video is absolutely insane. When my camera can focus on a face, which it can sometimes pick up in photos, it pretty much whitens out the rest of my desk. So I did try to edit it to be a little bit better, but the colors aren't true until about halfway through the video. But they are like nostalgic orange and stuff like that, so you can kind of get the vibe of what they are. I had this idea to do a slanted design because of the diagonal stripes, but I did it opposite of the way the stripes were going. So in order to make this work, I decided to do two paired pieces. So you'll see me here matching up the other one opposite so that they meet in the middle in like a little sort of valley. So there we go. We have like two hills on the side and then a valley in the middle. And then I stack my photos in a staircase succession on each side, which I think is super fun. I don't think I've ever seen something like this before, and there goes the lighting again. I apologize again. I tried to fix it the best I could, but it looks quite dull, so it's not blown out totally. And then when I start going through the rest of my kit, I realize I need a lot of orange, I need these weird shades of green and blue, and I took some moments to step back and just go through my things so I don't waste your time. I found this washi tape that I thought matched pretty well. It is a not a zigzag, a chevron washi tape in like a minty green color. And then I went into my stash and dipped into these Pink Fresh Studio stickers. These were some of their exclusive stickers when they did exclusive items in their grab boxes, which if you guys didn't know, the Pink Fresh Studio grab boxes went live yesterday, Friday. I don't know if they're still available, but I do have a link over on my blog, and I'll link them down again below if they are still available when I upload this video. Hopefully they are, so if you guys have wanted one, you can grab one. I always get one every year. I think they're amazing deal. They did go up, I think, $1 this year, which again, not terrible. I think I paid $32 last year plus shipping. And shipping's reasonable within the US. I think it's $6, which is good because you're getting 12 by 12 paper. So, and they do ship them nicely. They're like in a bag so nothing gets damaged if it's raining or something. So that's really good. I'll have that link down below because I absolutely adore those items. I love all of their collections, and that's how I get all of their collections, is through that. So definitely pick one up if you're interested, and hurry because I don't want you guys to miss out if you're really interested. And if you guys are looking for more updates, you can always follow my Facebook page or my Instagram, where I post about when I update my sales page and when I have new affiliate links to share in case you guys want to support me when you purchase your crafty items. So I pulled out a bunch of things, mostly puffy stickers from that Pink Fresh Studio package, but I also pulled out an 8-ball, which is from a Target puffy sticker package. Yes, Target did sell puffy stickers that were really weird, and an 8-ball is one of them. And now I'm just going through my sticker book here, my classic Maggie Home sticker book, and putting some stickers on my photos. So I picked out the 1 and the 2, put 1 on Scrabble and 2 on the Stratego pictures because we had to play 2 games that night. I thought that was a great way to use some of those number stickers. And then I pull out some plus signs to give that more, it had that perfect color of green that I needed. It's like a minty spearmint green. Does that make any sense? Can I describe using food what color I want? And then I start gluing things down. And you guys will see the clusters up close in the end, so don't worry about seeing all the details right now. So once those are glued down, again, I keep them in that staircase format. I think it just moves your eye across the page pretty well. and I think I like how it came out really well. And then if you're wondering how I got these photos, these are all secret photos. I often do that when we're doing family things. That way I don't interrupt what's happening by saying, oh, let's take a picture. And that's why you're not seeing any photos of me in here, because I was secretly taking photos of us playing games, which were Scrabble and Stratego. Let me know if any of you guys have ever played Stratego. Apparently it's a really old game. I don't know when exactly it came out, but I really like that game a lot. So I would highly recommend checking it out if you hadn't. It's a strategy game for 2 people only, but it's really fun. Here I'm starting to think of a title. So I pull out this word that says family, and these stickers are now in my kit. I actually created this layout a couple of weeks ago, I think. It's been a while. I kind of stockpiled this one here for future use, and today's the day I'm using it. And I actually put these stickers in my kit for this month because I don't have much left. So I pull out that word family, and then I pull the star and the arrow off that same set. That way I have that black foam, you know, coming through the layout in other ways as well. And I just named this Family Game Night. It's the simplest title I could come up with. There was nothing too crazy that happened. It's not like we beat our all-time record at Scrabble or something. But the journaling will talk about the games we played and why they're fun and stuff like that. And if you're wondering where I want to put my journaling, it's either above the black star on the left-hand side in little strips or next to the frame on the bottom left. Those are the 2 spots I might put it. Haven't done it yet, so I can't tell you where I put it. I also pulled out another sticker from the Maggie Home set that says Say Yes to New Adventures in a dark green, and that helps make the cluster in the top left with the star there. I'm not sure what the stickers were called that I used to spell game night. They're relatively new to my stash. I got them at Tuesday morning, so they're probably in my haul video if you guys are interested in learning more about those. These are just some old, they're not too old, but there's some Hobby Lobby, Paper Studio, puffy stickers for a planner. I pulled out a thumbs up that's orange and a little thumbtack that's orange and a little plus sign that's orange and decorated the layout with those. I just thought they were a little cute accent. And I clearly reached out of my kit for a lot of these items, but I think it just made the layout work. And I'm just glad that I used a little bit of my kit to, you know, make this layout. And by a little bit, I mean just the sticker book pretty much, which is fine. I don't mind. As long as I'm getting layouts done and using some of the stuff that I often ignore, that's pretty good for me. Here I'm adding a couple of word stickers, and then I'm looking to see if any of these Reset Girl stickers fit well. I end up putting the telephone on this layout. I just thought it has such a retro feel that a corded telephone would also fit on this layout very well. I do think I want a couple more bits in the top right and top left clusters. I think they're looking a little bit empty. I thought about doing sequins. I thought about doing some more plus signs. I find these little arrows in the middle of the book here. They're a little like peach colored, which is a perfect color for this layout. This is a really odd color scheme, and guys, this month has been full of odd color schemes for me. You could not tell that I tried to work from one kit this month because I just went crazy with different 12 by 12 papers. But I hope you guys like the variety of it. I think sometimes we get stuck in ruts where we work on the same thing over and over, and we don't really need to do that. We have a lot of options. We might as well make the most of it. But this is pretty much it for this layout. I think about adding a couple more things. I think some enamel dots would have worked, but again, I didn't really want the like circular, you know, feel of them. And then I forgot I didn't even look at my die cuts. How funny is that? I didn't even think about it. And it's funny more so because this is a cream-based collection of We Are Memory Keepers papers that I used, and most of my die cuts are cream-based because they're jelly bean soup. I do find this little guy here, and I think it says big smiles, and no one's smiling in these photos, but it's about, you know, the idea. There were big smiles that night, but here's some close-ups to finish it off, and I'll have more close-up photos over on my Instagram in case you guys are interested. And I was showing you that that 8-ball is really, really puffy. I love those puffy stickers from Target. They're quite a few years old, but that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. And be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Let me know if you want to see more double page layouts, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!